How to change your Instagram username within 14 days. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can change your Instagram username within 14 days again. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, if I go ahead and let's say try to simply open Instagram, and if I open Instagram and then if I come to my profile page by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see my current name right over here. Now keep in mind that username and name are comparatively different to each other, and if I tap on the edit profile button, you will be able to see my name right over here. Now previously what happened was we were able to change our name only once within the 14 days period of time, but recently Instagram has brought us a new feature, that is that we can change our name twice within the 14 days period of time. So in order to enable that feature, we're going to simply open our Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, what you want to do is right here in the search box, you want to simply go ahead and then type in Instagram. So as you type in Instagram, you'll be able to see the Instagram app at the very top. You have to simply tap on the Instagram app, and if there is an update button right next to the Instagram app, you have to tap on it in order to update the Instagram app to the latest version. So in my case, I have already updated it. Now I'm going to simply open Instagram, and we are going to follow the same steps again. So let me just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and I will simply tap on the edit profile button, which you see. As I tap on edit profile, at the top, let's say that if you want to simply add a name, or let's say, let me just try to go ahead and switch to another account first of all. If I open my Instagram and then I tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, if I tap on the edit profile button again, right at the top you'll be able to see my name, but this time you can also see a text that says help people discover your account by using the name that you're known by, either your full name, nickname, or business name. You can only change your name twice within 14 days. So previously we had an update which said we were only able to change it once, but this time we are able to change it twice within 14 days period of time. So if you have not updated and you're not being able to change the name, go ahead and update it, get this feature, and then simply change the name again within that 14 days period of time. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.